What's up, guys? It's Nick with 803 Speed. Welcome back to the channel. This weekend's project is going to be removing the old 7.5 rear end and swapping it out for this brand new 8.8 unit that we picked up out of an old GT. This rear end has 373 gears, so it's going to really help us later on with our Coyote Swap. But the first thing we got to do is take out the old urethane bushings. I bought this tool from Maximum Motorsports. It basically just slides right over and you tighten it down, and as you tighten it down, it squeezes the old urethane bushing out. So now that we got the urethane bushing out, we want to go ahead and just clean up the eyelet holes there. Use a little bit of sandpaper just to kind of clean up any old rust that's in there, just so the new spherical bushings have something nice and smooth to slide into. So now I'm getting ready to install the upper control arms. Again, these are from UPR Products. They're double adjustable. What I did was measured the old upper control arms that came out of the car, and they measured 9¼ inches. Bolt hole to bolt hole, center to center. If you're curious as far as the lowers are set at 17 5/8 inches, and that's center to center as well. That'll give you about a stock pinion angle. If you want to change it from there, you can. You can shorten up your A-arm or uppers. Or you can lengthen your lowers, but I want to keep mine stock for right now. So now I'm going to take off the old rear end cover. This was factory on the 8.8. I bought a studded version, beefier version from UPR Products as well, and I'm going to swap that out now.
Here's a cool little trick I learned. If you're working by yourself, you gotta change shocks out. Or if you hold it, just take your floor jack it up through the hole, and it'll keep it in place while you can tighten it down each time.
So I ended up running out of space on my GoPro, but anyway, we got the rear end in. It looks great. The UPR Products uppers and lowers went in with no hassle whatsoever. We got our springs in, we got our strange double adjustable shocks in as well. So now just last thing really to do is just make sure everything is tightened up and buttoned up, and then we're ready to go.